Hello everyone and welcome to Python and Machine Learning for Finance course. First, I would like to thank you all for enrolling in this course. I hope you will find the course useful, exciting, practical, and informative. My name is Ryan Ahmed. I'm a professor and best-selling Udemy instructor. My teaching style is to simplify complex concepts and deliver them in a practical, easy, and fun way. I have taught over 100,000 students online from over 160 countries. So let's answer some key questions that you might have. The first question is, why Python? Python ranks as the #1 programming language in the world. Here are some reasons to learn Python. First, Python is extremely easy to understand. High salary. The average Python programmer in the US makes around $116,000 a year, which is pretty great given how easy it is to learn the programming language. Third is scalability. It's true, Python is easy to learn, but it's also extremely powerful. But it's also an extremely powerful language that can help you create top-tier apps. In fact, Google, Instagram, YouTube, and Spotify are all built using Python. Fourth is versatility. Python is by far the most versatile programming language in the world. Python is used for web development, data science, machine learning, computer vision, data analysis and visualization, scripting, gaming, and many, many more. The next question is, what are we going to learn in this course? This course is divided into 3 main parts. The first part, I will explain the fundamentals of Python programming language. We will cover conditional statements. We'll also cover loops, functions, files, NumPy, pandas, and interactive data visualization also, using Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly libraries. In part number 2, we will learn how to perform financial analysis using Python. We will cover several key concepts in finance, such as analyzing stocks' risk and return, performing portfolio optimization, running Monte Carlo simulations, and perform asset allocation. We will also cover key concepts such as Sharpe ratio, the efficient frontier, and the capital asset pricing model, or CAPM for short. We will also cover trading strategies such as momentum-based and moving average trading strategies. And finally, in part number 3, we will cover practical projects on artificial intelligence and machine learning applications in finance. We will cover applications of deep neural networks, such as long short-term memory networks, or LSTM networks for short, to perform stock price predictions. In addition, we will cover unsupervised machine learning strategies, such as k-means clustering algorithm and principal component analysis technique, to perform banking customer segmentation, or clustering. Furthermore, we will cover the basics of natural language processing, or NLP for short, and apply it to perform stocks sentiment analysis. So the next question is, do I need a PhD to succeed in this course? Definitely not. We will introduce the theory and intuition without any intimidating mathematics, so we'll keep it simple and to the point. We have designed the course to be practical and easy to understand. So after introducing any concept, we added several mini challenges and practical exercises along the way. So I will ask you guys to pause the video and attempt to solve the mini challenge on your own. Then we will have a detailed video explanation with complete solutions. The next question is, who is this course for? The course is targeted towards financial analysts who want to harness the power of data science and AI to optimize business processes, maximize revenue, and reduce cost. Python programmer beginners wanting to gain a fundamental understanding of Python and data science, wanting to understand the fundamentals of programming and data science applications to finance and banking industries. Investment bankers and financial analysts wanting to advance their careers, build their data science portfolio, and gain real-world practical experience. And the last question is, what the course prerequisites are. There is no prior experience required. Even if you have never used Python or any programming language before, don't worry. We will have a clear video explanation for each of the topics we will be covering. We will start from the basics and gradually build up your knowledge. And that's all I have. Again, thank you so much for enrolling in this course, and let's get started with the first lecture.